What's up, family? I'm Zay. In today's video, I am going to just detail and tell you guys everything about my Run It Up Stock Club group package. I've been getting a lot of questions about it. And in my last video, I said I would actually do a video about what my group package is all about. I've actually decided to expand it and I'm going to add some new things to it. So I'm also going to detail that today. And yeah, I'm going to tell you about all this good value that I'm bringing. So I'm really excited about this package. I currently am going through my first class, or I have my first members in it right now. And so they're going to benefit and get all of this extra stuff as well. I will be looking to reopen enrollment pretty soon. Again, I really want to focus on my first group, but I do want to get the information out there as far as what the package is all about, because like I said, I'm getting a ton of questions. So without further ado, I'm gonna just jump right into what it is. So my Run It Up Stock Club group package, what is it? It's a lot. I ain't even gonna front. So it's gonna take us a little while to get through everything, but just bear with me. So the very first thing is you're going to get access. You get a lifetime access to 2 courses. They're self-paced. You can take them at your own leisure, at your own time. You don't have to rush through it. But there's 2 courses that are included in this Run It Up Stock Club group package. So the first course is going to be how to retire a millionaire, right? So in this course, I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know about how to retire like a millionaire. So lessons on your mindset, setting up your budget, building an emergency fund, deciding on a debt elimination strategy, setting up and managing your retirement accounts, determining how much you need to retire, and of course, just secrets to building wealth via the stock market. So this course is really going to walk you through the steps that will help guarantee that you can retire a millionaire. The next course that will be included, and which is my signature course, of course, is the how to make 1K in a day trading stock options. And so this course is a full walkthrough of the exact platform I use, what option contracts are, how to buy and sell an options contract, how to research stocks, how to find perfect setup, how to conduct analysis, how to use the trading view tool, how to create a trading strategy, how to identify entry and exit points. And then again, I have a secret weapon, my options profit calculator that I found, and it kind of just helps you understand what your risk reward is. So both courses have a ton of value, ton of gems, a ton of actionable steps to get you where you want to go. So whether it is long-term investing is the route you want to go, or you want to be active in the market and trade, we got you covered. I got you covered. Or if you want to do both, you can do both. So that is definitely the signature of the group package. It includes lifetime access to both of these courses. The next thing that it includes is lifetime access to the private Run It Up Stock Club group chat. Now, this is a Slack group. So if you're not familiar with the app Slack, it allows you to segment channels and conversations. So because the group is going to be a mix of people who are doing some trading as well as some long-term investing, it allows myself as well as group members to segment chats to certain conversations. You've ever been in those groups like WhatsApp, Telegram, I can't even think of the other one. GroupMe, that's what it is. But when people are having conversations, it's just a running conversation. You have to kind of search, and you can't really like segue, or segment the conversations to figure out like what was the most important information for you. And so with Slack, it gives me that ability to do that. We can have certain channels that are for long-term investing, trading strategies, all of that broken down. So it's very easy to find and search information that the community is talking about. So that gets me to the next part, which is access to a community of like-minded people. So not only is this group chat a way for us to discuss strategies, stocks, and stuff like that, but it's access to or it's access to people who are of the same mindset as you, who are trying to be a millionaire, who are trying to trade. And so when you get a group of people together like that, it is very powerful. The conversations that happen, the things we learn, as the saying goes, 2 brains are always better than 1. And when you have 15 brains, it's way better than 1. You know what I mean? So you get access to a community of like-minded people, as well as you get 24/7 access to me. So as kind of like your coach. I don't really want to say coach because it's not really like that. It's more like a strategist. It's a community, but you do get 24/7 access to me. I'm very active in the chat. I'll answer questions. If you're not comfortable with putting it in the chat, you can DM me personally, and I'll get back to you relatively soon. Like I said, I'm pretty active, so pretty dope. Like I said, Slack is great. The group has been great. We're very, very active. I mean, the community is great. You're gonna love it. So, one other thing, right? For the group, for my traders that will be in the group, I do usually put at least 2 trades in the group a week, things that I'm personally looking at, just to help guide you guys and seeing what I'm seeing. So that is like another benefit of the group, that we do talk about and share, stocks that we're looking at and stuff and things like that. So again, ton of value, right? And it's not overpacked either. Let me throw that in there. I know some of y'all are probably in groups and you're like, man, so many people. Nah, this is a small community right now. And as I said, it's very segmented. So I got y'all. The next thing, right? So the next thing is bi-monthly Zoom sessions. So these are really like strategy sessions, coaching sessions, if you want to call it. But it's just an opportunity for the community to get together twice a month. And celebrate our wins, discuss the current state of the market, new strategies, any stocks that, we might have heard about that we want to talk about as a group together, and just any other updates that, need to happen. I mean, again, it's a community. We want to grow together. Are there other business opportunities or things like that? So, as well as, if you have questions or maybe it needs to be a charting session because somebody has questions about, building a chart. Whatever the agenda needs to be, we have it 2 times a month. And the calls are segmented in that, like, maybe, not maybe, but the first hour is mainly for like trading questions, and the second hour is like long-term type of questions. So if you ain't really into trading, you could just wait an hour and join the second half of the call, and vice versa. But either way, I think being involved in both will just make you an overall better investor. So definitely want to take advantage of that. And those happen twice a month. Right. The next thing that is pretty dope is that I'm going to be adding a list of the top stocks and ETFs that you should add to your retirement portfolio. So there will be a comprehensive list that contains the top companies and ETFs on the market that you want to buy and hold forever. It's that simple. These are the stocks and ETFs that you're going to put in your portfolio. You are going to buy and hold forever. You're going to dollar cost average. You're going to buy them. You're going to never look at them again. I won't say you won't never look at them again, but it's a longer horizon for these to grow, and you won't really have to worry about daily or weekly fluctuations because, again, you're worrying about 5 to 10 years out and not so much tomorrow. Another cool thing that I'm going to be adding is a list of the best technology stocks that can help accelerate your retirement portfolio. So a lot of people might want to retire early or retire faster. So I have another comprehensive list that contains some of the top tech companies that have massive growth opportunities and can potentially accelerate your retirement plans. And if you've been watching the market, you know that companies like Tesla and Zoom from the March lows have freaking done like 100, 200%. So these are the type of high performing stocks that will be on this list, just to give you an idea. Another part of the group package, I told you guys, it's all about value. I want to give you guys as much value as I can to make sure you guys are successful in building wealth and just get into the bag. So the next thing that we have is the Run It Up life-changing book recommendations. And basically what I'll be doing is helping you guys build millionaire habits, right? So one of the main hobbies of millionaires is that they're always reading. So I have read a ton of books, and each month I will give you guys or my members a book recommendation that has basically changed my life and can change their life. Some may be finance, some may be empowering, leadership, all types of books. But I want my community to develop into great investors and great people, and not just, be in it for the money. And so this is just another added bonus, but I think brings tremendous value. Getting to the end here, guys. So final two pieces. So one of the final pieces is that I will include, or it already includes, a copy of my personal trading commandments. And basically, as an investor, you need to remove all your emotions and remain disciplined at all times, whether you are a long-term investor or a trader. And so I've developed a list of trading commandments that basically I use to remind myself at critical points, whether I'm trading or long-term investing, to just remember. I'll give you guys a gem, and it's not even really a gem. I mean, everybody kind of already knows it, but one of the things that are on my commandments is a famous Warren Buffett quote, which is, when others are greedy, be fearful. When they are fearful, be greedy. And that's just like something that is so profound that you have to kind of remind yourself of that every day. Another one, buy low, sell high. Of course, it's self-explanatory, but you need those type of reminders to make sure that you're staying disciplined and you're keeping your emotions out of it. So again, there's a lot of other gems. I can't give them all away, but you do get a copy of that personal trading commandments. And then the last thing, to round it all out, is that I do have a full list of all, and I mean every single freaking thing I use as far as tools and resources that I use to help me research, pick stocks, as well as the stocks that I want to add to my long-term portfolio or trade. So basically, I have cataloged every resource, every website, every app that I use that has helped me be successful. And I'll put a list there so you guys can use it as well. Now, all of that great value, I know you guys are probably wondering, how much will it cost? I know there's going to be a fee. And you're right, because before I get to the fee, I just want to let you guys know that I am giving you everything that has helped my wife and I go from basically a negative net worth to we are now well in the six-figure net worth range. And we did it all in a matter of roughly right now, probably like 18 months. As you guys may have seen through some of my posts, mainly not YouTube, but just how I've helped other people, get into the stock market, make money, but also building wealth for generations. And that's what my goal is, helping other first generational wealth builders build wealth. And so I say all of that to say that I'm giving you everything, like I said, that helped me. And so yes, there is a fee that will go with this package. So when I first did it and my first 15 people got in, it wasn't as much value, but it was a lot. It was mainly focused on options, and I charged $197, right? So now when I open it back up, it has a ton of extra value. And to my Run It Up family, you guys that are already in, you're gonna get all this, for free because you guys are already in the group and you paid for it. But when I do my second class, quote me now, the opening price will be $497. And that's going to be for the first 10 people who signed up. I will open it for 20 people, but for the first 10, you'll get it for $497. And for the slackers, I'm sorry, but the price will go up, and the price will go up to $997. So you better be one of the first 10 to secure your spot. And trust me, the investment in yourself is totally, totally worth it. With everything that I'm giving you, I promise you, you will get your return back in your lifetime. And profit, just, it's an unlimited ROI, guys. That's all I can say is that, yes, you pay this one-time fee, but the return on investment is unlimited because you now have access to knowledge that can help turn your life around. And so I want to close it out with that. I'll be putting a link to sign up for the wait list. So if you're on YouTube, it's down in the description. If you're watching this on Instagram or Facebook, it'll be in my bio or on my page. So yeah, you just sign up for the wait list. What I'll do is when I'm getting closer to announcing the opening of enrollment, I'll send out an email to those people first. So you are basically first come, first serve. And then eventually I will open it up to the public, and anyone who is not on the list will then be able to enroll. So if you want first dibs, make sure you click the link down in the description or in my bio and sign up for that list, because I'm going to send it to those people first, and they will get first chances or first chance to sign up for the course at the low price. After that, I maybe give it a day or two, and then I'm gonna open it up to the general public. And then once all the spots are filled, I will close it off. And once the community I build, help build them up, get them to a right spot, I will then open it up at a later date again. Because it is only one me and I can only handle so many people at a time, I am doing it in a class like cohort style. So that way I can give you guys all of me, really focus on each class, get them to where I need them to be, and then and so forth. We're basically creating an army. Like, our community will all be on the same page. We all went through the same steps. And then we just have an army of people who have a ton of knowledge and are ready to do the damn thing. And so I feel like I'm rambling a little bit, but I just want to get all of it out because I'm so excited about this package. It's more than just a course. It is a total package. And so, yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, send me a DM. I'm open to feedback. And without further ado, guys, stay blessed and peace out.